The host and hostess were extremely accommodating. The location was perfect for our stay and the facilities were all in working order and to a good standard. The property itself was well paid out with plenty of space, and the parking at the property made the travel and stay easy.
Really wasn't anything bad to say about the place. If I'm being critical, it would have been nice to have a second set of bedding/quilts with a lower TOG value, as we were having a warm, summer-like weekend when we went.
The hosts were very nice and communication through WhatsApp was particularly easy.
A key could be provided for the bars on the windows, as this so old be the only form of escape in an emergency if the passageway was blocked. The bed light near the window was not working.
Vandana and Shandong are excellent hosts, attentive but not intrusive. The little extras are very generous with a well-stocked fridge and larder provisions. Any queries were answered immediately. The apartment is ideally located for the DLR and there are local shops.
If you are on your own, you might want to familiarize yourself and be confident with the short walk from the tube if planning on arriving back late at night.